All right. Hi, this is Zach from Sell House Columbus. We have two of our sellers here today, Maria and Charles, and we just closed on their property today, March 25th. So first question, how did you first hear about us? How did you find us?
We were talking about selling. I think we saw a commercial
on
uh,
TV.
on the TV. Yes, and we called.
All right, that's nice. And tell us about your situation, why you sold the house.
We were actually just looking to upgrade a little bit. Our family had expanded and just wanted to upgrade.
All right, great. And did we do what we said what we're going to do? Did we buy the property cash as is?
Yes, we are more than halfway through the process. And yet so far you guys have come through.
All right, perfect. That's the plan. So last question, what would you say to someone who'd like to sell their house fast for cash?
I would like to say think it through. If you're ready, this is the place, this is the way to go. But just
Definitely way to go if you're ready
if
for it.
you're ready, I will say we were unsure. But Zach was persistent and also helpful.
Yes, you was, Zach.
I know we mentioned we didn't have nowhere to go and you were even willing to help us find somewhere.
Mhm.
So just I definitely if you're ready, this is the way to go.
All right, perfect. I appreciate that, Maria and Charles. So again, this is Zach from Sell House Columbus. If you are someone who wants to sell your property for cash, find us online, www.sellhousecolumbus.com, or call us at 614-300-5151. Thanks again, and on to the next video.
All right.
All right.
Bye.